What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here on my search for the perfect wallet. And we have two contenders here. I picked these up because they seemed really interesting and yet were incredibly aggressively priced. So first of all, what you can see here is, I think it's pronounced Kinzd, K-I-N-Z-D. They sell them directly on their website, and I picked up two that I wanted to compare. Now, I took a quick peek at them, but I haven't taken a very close look at it. First of all, what we have here is a wallet that is very similar to a wallet that I used to use for a long time, so I was really kind of interested in it. What you can see here is it's this beautiful black leather. We have a stainless steel clip here instead of a magnetic clip. That's important because you don't want magnets around a lot of stuff like ID cards, so they can easily demagnetize. But this is also, both of these, this wallet's interesting too, are both RFID blocking. So I don't know what the material is that they put in there. Maybe it's like an aluminized foil or something like that lining. I don't see anything, and it certainly doesn't seem crinkly or anything like that. But that's more and more important now that we have RFID in different wallets. So first of all, I just want to kind of give you a quick look here. A nice clip here with a little kick up so you can kind of get things in there without a problem. You can put your cash there, and then we have pockets right here, and you can see there's plenty of room for a credit card, and we have three of those: credit card, business card. It's kind of nice that you can have something in there like that and boom, get it out really easily. And then on this side, what you can see is there's two pieces that open up. And I always use these for like business cards and kind of the lesser or less frequently accessed stuff, like your library card and your Blockbuster card. And then on this side, we have a couple of other slots. Another one here. It's pretty deep, but it's kind of nice. I push that in all the way, but we get a nice little poking out portion here that I can still pull that out. And then in here, and it comes with a little card to show you, this is like your ID holder. And that's pretty cool. So you get this little frosted window so you can still see it, show it to people if you need to. But then you also have this thumb hole right there so I can push it out just like that if you need to. These are great for like ID cards for work. So if you just need to show someone, but if you do need to pull it out and swipe it or whatever, it's kind of nice. And then I would assume that this little plastic here is not RFID blocking. So if you wanted to swipe it, you know, on your turnstile going into your office, you certainly could. Looks good. Smells nice. So that's one wallet. So I definitely do like that. And then right here we have another one that is really clever looking as well, and very sleek and modern looking. And this is kind of a traditional bifold wallet, but as you can see here, it's they call it the carbon fiber wallet, and I don't know, it might be, I don't know, it kind of looks like an aramid. It's really tight, and I guess the thing is it's really durable, so it's probably not going to wear maybe as quickly as a leather. So if you want something that might take a little bit of abuse and not fray on you, this might be the ticket. But it looks wicked cool. If you drive sports cars, this is the wallet for you. And it looks like a traditional leather bifold, but it is really slim, so keep that in mind. And then in the middle here, you have a little divider, so you can put your big bills, little bills, receipts on one side, cash on the other, checks, whatever. So you can absolutely separate those out. Again, RFID blocking. We have a lot of pockets here, so I can put credit card in here, 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 and here. You can see, still peeking out, no problem, it doesn't go all the way down. And then it looks like we have one in here, as well as it looks like we have one right here. So if you carry a lot of stuff, this one is the one for you. And then we have a pocket there, as well as another ID pocket right here. And like I said, I really like these. And the cutout here not only is nicely sized so I can push up, but you can see how the edge is fused, so you don't have to worry about that breaking on you. So anyway, two really nice wallets. Now, like I said, I want to say that these wallets, and I'm gonna maybe be slightly off, but pretty close. I want to say this one was like $17.99 and this one is like $19.99. So I'm impressed with both of these, not only in the quality, the fact that they are kind of this modern RFID blocking, but then also just the amazing price point. So this is a really nice wallet. I think it'll work quite well, and you know, maybe you need a backup, maybe you need a primary, but man, these These are pretty nice. So I'll put a link to the Kinzd site because that's where I picked them up, but I'll put links to wherever you can get them because they might be available from some other retailers as well. So check them out. I like it. Peter Von Panda, out.